Hey guys, my parents are out again, and you know what that means. Time for another video. Mood swings. You have to love them. Let's go. Mood swings can make your best friend your weirdest friend. Oh hey man, you wanna play again? Dude, I was like so lonely before you came.
No problem.
No, seriously, I was so lonely.
Are you?
I'm over. Nothing. Nah, tell me what you're gonna say.
No, seriously, I wasn't gonna say nothing.
What's wrong?
You're not telling me what you were gonna say. I thought we were
Seriously,
friends.
bro, you're acting a bit
I'm
weird.
acting weird. Get out.
What?
Get out now. Okay, man. Calm down. Calm down.
Mood swings can get you in trouble. Yes, well done. Now, what's 4 times 2?
Seriously, man. How dumb do you think I am? It's obviously 8. Come on, give me a harder one.
Well done. Yes, I'm the smartest person ever. Okay, I'll give you a hard one if you want it. What's 8 divided by 4 then?
Is it 3?
Oh, almost. It's 2. It's 2.
Wait, what did you say? You're telling me that way around?
Well, don't worry. I'm sure you'll get it next time.
No, there won't be a next time. I'm right. You're wrong, you idiot.
Excuse me?
You know what I said? You're an idiot.
Well, if that's how you're going to treat me, then I won't teach you anymore. Good luck finding someone who'll put up with you.
Wait, don't go. Oh, sorry.
Mood swings. Anyway, have a nice day, people. Goodbye.